Good morning. I welcome you all for the understanding of the topic Minterm and Maxterm in digital electronics. So these Minterms and Maxterms are very essential concepts in digital electronics as well as in Boolean algebra, which serves as the foundation for simplifying logic functions and designing digital circuits. So they provide standardized representations of logic expressions, enabling engineers to optimize circuit designs and to enhance performance efficiently, right? So first let us discuss about minterms. We can go with definition, example as well as how we can represent it. So a minterm is a product, either it is an AND operation, whereas the maxterm is vice versa with OR operation. So a minterm is a product of AND operation of all the variables in a function where each variable can appear either in true or complemented form. It can be true or complemented form. Example of minterm, like a function of three variables a, b and c means the a and b and c can be in a complement, which represents the condition where the output is true for that specific combination of inputs. And how we can represent is the canonical form of a Boolean function can be expressed as a sum of minterms, that is we used to call it as SOP, which allows for straightforward implementations in digital circuits. So now coming to maxterm, it is completely the vice versa of minterm. So a maxterm is a sum which has OR operation of all variables in a function, with each variable in true or complemented form. Each maxterm corresponds to a unique row in a truth table with output 0. Example of this maxterm is if there is a function which consists of variables like a, b and c, same which we have discussed in minterm. Here the function you can see OR function, that is the multiplication term will be here as in addition form, like a plus b bar plus c bar. It may be a plus b plus c, or it may be a bar plus b bar plus c bar, but it indicates all the variables. All the variables should be present in this function. That is example. Next, we can represent it as POS, whereas minterm can be represented as SOP and maxterm can be represented as POS. So this relationship between minterm and maxterm for our understanding is crucial, very crucial in Boolean algebra. So this minterm specifies certain conditions for a true output, while maxterm identify conditions for a false output. This duality function is a foundation for deriving expressions from truth tables and enables flexibility in digital circuit design. So duality principle, then truth table connection, like minterms and maxterms are duals of each other, and truth table can derive both minterm and maxterm expressions. So the conversion between these forms can be done by De Morgan's theorems, which allows the conversion between minterm and maxterm. So these are all the applications in digital electronics, like logic circuit design, where we are using SOPs and POS, logic circuit design, programmable logic devices and few simplification techniques. So logic circuit design means minterm and maxterms are used to create simplified logic circuit for minimizing the number of gates and inputs which required. And PLD, that is programmable logic devices, utilize minterms and maxterms as a basics for programming logic functions. And techniques like K-map and Quine-McCluskey method are used in this simplification Boolean functions. And this is the summary of minterm and maxterm, like the key differences and canonical forms as well as essential tools which we study in our minterm and maxterm, which focus on specific combination yielding true outputs, while maxterms focus on specific combinations yielding false outputs. So this is all about the conclusions, like it is importance in education and it is used in real world application and also in future trends. These are the conclusions, and and examples which we have decided everything. Hope you understood. Thank you.